Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a different kind of video. I want to show a little bit more variety on my channel. So I am going to be starting a new series called Best Beginner Makeup Tutorials of blank. And it's basically going to be a compilation of all the best beginner makeup tutorials from my favorite YouTubers. So each week, I'm hoping each week, maybe twice a week, who knows, I'm going to showcase a different YouTuber and I'm going to highlight a few of their videos that I think are great for beginners with makeup. So this can be tutorials, get ready with me's, all types of stuff that I think beginners would learn best from. So if you guys like this series, if you guys like this idea, make sure you give it a thumbs up so that I know, so I can continue with this series. Comment down below what YouTubers you want to see, which makeup tutorials should I look at first. And if you are not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because I upload videos every single day, so you want to make sure that you're subscribed so you know when I upload. And also, when you subscribe, make sure you turn on my post notifications so that you never miss an upload. It's really that simple. So, for this first video, I'm going to be covering Jeffree Star. I love Jeffree. I think he is so creative and so unique. And personally, I think his videos are super entertaining. They just are. It is what it is. So I'm going to be talking about 6 of his makeup tutorials that I think would be really great for beginners to try out. And all of the videos will be linked in the description box below if you want to watch them for yourself. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. So the first makeup tutorial from Jeffree Star that I'm going to be talking about is his drugstore makeup tutorial. Now this is one of Jeffree's earlier videos, so he still has his pink hair. And the reason I think this video is really good for beginners is because he uses all drugstore products. You know, it's not the current Jeffree Star that we're all used to seeing. He is using makeup from the drugstore, which is super affordable. And I know as a beginner with makeup, you don't always want to splurge for the Tom Ford and the Marc Jacobs and stuff like that. So with this tutorial, you get the drugstore products that Jeffree uses on his face. So you know that they're good, and I think it's just a really interesting video. The second video that we're going to be talking about is the easy date night makeup tutorial. Even though the makeup that Jeffree is using in this video is pretty high-end, I personally think it's a good starting point for beginners because the look that he does is fairly simple. And you do not have to use the same products that he does. You can find drugstore alternatives for the products that he is using and still create a really pretty look that is similar to what he's doing. So I think it's a really good video for beginners. The third video that I think is great for beginners is the full face of Maybelline products. We all know that Jeffree Star loves high-end makeup, so for him to be using a full face of not only drugstore makeup, but one brand, I think is amazing. And y'all know I love Maybelline. They're super high quality for being a drugstore brand, and they're not super expensive. Y'all know I love my Fit Me foundation. So in this tutorial, he's using all Maybelline products, and you get a review and a first impressions all in one, so you really can't beat that. The fourth video that we're going to be talking about is the full face using only NYX products. Again, first impressions, a review, full face of drugstore makeup. I think these are really great tutorials for beginners because they show that you can create a really beautiful makeup look and you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money because NYX is fairly inexpensive, but they do have some really high quality products. And in this video, Jeffree does his whole face in NYX products, so you don't have to worry about, you know, spending a whole bunch of money because NYX is pretty inexpensive. The next video that is on my list is, yes, another full face video using one product, and it is E.L.F. Jeffree Star did a full face of makeup using only E.L.F. products. Now, E.L.F. is cheaper than NYX and Maybelline, so I think this is an amazing video for beginners because E.L.F. is a great starting point for makeup. When I started with makeup, all my brushes were from E.L.F. I had E.L.F. products galore, and even though they might not be the most high quality, they can be really good for practicing your makeup, and you won't have to spend a whole bunch of money, especially when you're learning. And following along with this tutorial is pretty easy because the products that he uses, again, are really, really inexpensive, but you're still learning from him as, you know, a makeup mogul, guru, whatever. So I really think his one brand makeup tutorials are the best place for beginners to start. And the last video from Jeffree Star that I think is amazing for beginners to learn makeup is the quick glowy makeup tutorial. Anything that's quick and easy I think works really well for beginners because when you're learning, you don't want to spend a whole bunch of time doing your makeup. You want to get in the practice, you want to get better, but at the same time, it's not, you know, it's not ingrained in you just yet. So you don't want to spend 2 hours beating your face, but you still want to learn, you still want to look nice. So with this tutorial, you get the best of both worlds. You still get to learn some things, but it's not going to take you forever. So I really think this is a great place for beginners to start as well. Well, you guys, that is it for this list. I really hope that you guys enjoy this series, and I really want to continue with it, but if you guys don't like it, if you're not into it, that's totally fine. Just let me know so I can make some content that you guys really do want to see. I know that YouTube is a huge hub for learning about makeup, learning from different YouTubers and things like that, but not all makeup tutorials are created equal, and I really want to be able to give you guys the tools that you need to really hone your craft, especially if, you know, being a makeup artist is something that you really want to do. And I think that learning from different YouTubers is a really good thing to do because you don't want to just have like a one-sided view on things. I should not be the only YouTuber that you're watching. Jeffree Star shouldn't be the only YouTuber that you're watching. You want to get different sides, you know, of makeup, see how different people do different things. So that's what I want to expose you guys to with this series, and I really, really, really hope that I have done that with this video, and I hope to continue to do that with this series if you guys want me to. If you guys like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what YouTuber you want to see next, and I will make that happen. Also, make sure if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel that you do that right now, and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss an upload, because I upload videos every single day, so you don't want to miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Why am I so short? Nobody knows. I think beginners would personally comment down below what you were comment down below and tell me what you